Good morning, student. In the yesterday we have done the partnership, the meaning, the partnership deed, what is the characteristics, what are the types, everything. So we have done so many theory parts, correct? Now come to the last topic where I have stopped. This is the topic I have stopped here. Just see here. I am coming on the P&L appropriation account, and I explained it that day only. P&L appropriation always come after the P&L, that is net profit. After net profit we will make P&L appropriation or adjustment account. This is called as your P&L appropriation account. Why we are making here? The partnership firm has some kind of salary, some kind of commission, some kind of bonus to the partner, interest on the capital, interest on the drawing, this all the related to partner. So we have to make first P&L appropriation account, then whatever profit is coming from here, then we will divide in the partners, then we will make the next balance sheet. So I think so you have clear about this, correct or not? Now come to the main part, that is format of P&L appropriation account always be fixed, and the fixed format is here you can see I have written so all the terms which will come in the P&L appropriation account. Just see, and you have to learn it by heart because we have done so many times. And I already told you P&L appropriation account is nominal account, correct? So debit and credit will be there. P&L appropriation account you have to make it as a heading, the particular amount, correct? You can make two amounts column by the inner amount column and outer amount column. Both are clear. Now come to debit side. Debit side we have to record which, as you know, what is the rule of nominal account rule? That is debit all the expenses and losses, correct? So according to the partnership, if anything is loss, if anything is expense, we have to record this side. So just see, to interest on capital. For the partner, it is a profit. For the company, for the partnership, it is a loss because we have to pay the interest. So to interest on capital, ABC, I have taken ABC. Why? There is a partners. It can be number of partners, can be 5, can be 2, can be 3. So I am written just for example, okay? Or you can make inner column. So you can write here the inner column first, all the partners capital, and add, and you can write here total amount. So both are correct, okay? So I have written to interest on capital ABC, correct? A partner, B partner, and C partner. Whatever the capital they have made, we have to pay the interest. Next, salary. Any partner is a working partner, they has to be get the salary. If the partnership deed is saying we have to pay the salary, so we have to pay to the according to partner. We can write to salary. You can write A salary, B salary. It can be depend on the question who is getting the salary. After that, bonus. If any partner is getting any extra amount as a bonus, that is called as a bonus. We have to write here. Commission. If he is selling more products and he is getting some commission. If he is doing the marketing for the partnership, he will get this commission. So many ways he can get the commission, and this commission for the partnership firm, it's a loss. So we have to record here. It's the expense. Ultimately, expense always be a loss, correct? Next, transfer to reserve. In the sense, some partners always do one thing, that if any amount we are getting as a profit, that amount little part we have to reserve as a for the future planning. So that one also called as here transfer to the reserve. Is it clear? Now come to this side. We always start with the partnership appropriation account, always with by profit and loss account, that is net profit. If it is net loss, here 2, okay? Here is net profit, so I have written here. After that, this is coming from the P&L account, okay? Now by interest on drawing. Again, this is the income for the partnership, correct? It is the income for the partnership, but it is loss for the partners. So it is the income. So that's why interest on drawing we are writing on the credit side. And again, ABC I have written because so many partners we have, so we can write like this. After that, just see here. Whatever after the balancing, whatever side I am getting more, I have to write here, like here. I am getting this side is more and this side is less. So here is some amount will come, correct? So I will write this amount as a two partners capital or current account. Depend on the fixed and fluctuating partnership. Okay, we will do with the question, you will understand more. So to partnership capital or current account, you can write here. If it is a fixed, so you can current. If it is a fluctuate, if it is flexible, you can write partners capital. Okay, we will do this some kind of question, you can understand. If we are getting profit, here we have to write if this side is more and this side is less. So what you have written here, it is a loss. So same, the heading will be same. Again you will write as a loss. Is it clear? It will be distributed amongst the partner according to their ratio, whatever is given in the question. Okay, so this is the format we have. Just learn the format, very easy to understand. I have given you how the questions I am writing. If you are not learned it, by the reading the terms you can understand. Interest on capital, it is a loss for the partner, but it is an income for the what? Correct or wrong? Wrong. What I am saying? Interest on capital is a loss for the company. It means partnership, and income for the partners. Is it clear? So this is where you have to make it. Now come to the next. Come to the next here. Very first three things you have to be consider. Without these three things, you cannot do the questions. Just see first. Things to be remembered. It means it has to be remembered. First, amount should be for complete year. It means if any amount given for the month, first convert in the complete year, then you have to record in the P&L appropriation account. If any amount is written as like a salary for the 2 month is 2,000. For including 2 months, it is 2,000. For 1 month is 1,000. So complete 1 year is become 12,000. This is the way you have to convert the terms in the year. Next, if any amount already given, then it has to be taken back. It means while making the P&L account, we have already deducted the salary to the partner. We have already deducted. So first add back and then we will deduct from the P&L appropriation account. The meaning of this is that. Okay. Now last, if any adjustment related to the P&L account, it means if P&L account already made and some adjustment left it after making the P&L. So first we will do the adjustment. Then again we will find the P&L's profit or loss. Then we will make what? P&L appropriation account. These three things you have to be remembered. Without these three things you cannot do the questions. Okay. Now come to the question to more understand. I told you by the question you can understand more. So that's why. A and B are the partner. A's capital is 1 lakh and B's capital is 60,000. Interest on capital is payable of 6% per annum, which is 6,000 and 3,600 per year. It is given. Already it is calculated. If you don't want to calculate, already it is given it. B is entitled to get the salary of 3,000 per month. Profit for the current year before interest and salary of B is 80,000. It means net profit is given 80,000 before this all the adjustment. So net profit is given. So just write first. Which side you will write? Buy or to buy? What? P&L account. What you will write in bracket? Net profit. How much? 80,000. Correct. Now come to this. Capital is 1 lakh and 60,000. 6 I have written here. Interest already calculated. If it is not calculated, just do 6% of 1 lakh and 6% of 6,000. You will get same. Okay. After the salary is getting by the B is 3,000 per month. So understand. 3,000 per month. It means 3,000 into 12. That means 12,000. Correct. Now do the entries. First, to interest on capital. A and B, two partners are there. Correct. A's capital is how much? Interest 6,000 and B is 3,600. After that, B is getting salary to salary in a bracket B. What you will write? 12,000. Correct. This is we have done. Now see, anything is left in this or not? Nothing. So just do the balancing figure. Balance it. Here is 80,000 is higher, so I am writing here 80,000. Just do the addition of these terms. 6,000 plus 3,000, 9,000. 9,000 plus 12,000, yes. 9,000, 12,000 plus 8,000, 20 and 21,600. This is coming as a 21,600 minus from 80,000. 0, 0, 10 minus 6, 4, 9 minus 1, 8, 7 minus 2, 5. Correct. This is my profit. Correct. I am writing here 58400. What I will write? To partners capital. Now this is complete profit, but I have two partners A and B. I have to distribute. How I will distribute right now? In this question, nothing is given about ratio. We always consider as a equally. What we will consider equal. Equal in the sense 58400 will be divided in 1:1 ratio. It means it's just 2. Total is 2. So 58400 divided by 2. Do it how much? 2 2s are 4. 1 carries 2 9s are 2 2s are 4. So what it is coming for one person? 2900 29200. So this is the way you have to solve the question. This is called P&L appropriation account. One more question I am giving you. Just see how to solve it. Okay. See. X and Y are the partner sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2. Capital were 80,000 and 6,000. So while the reading you can write some data. So partners are X and Y. Correct or not? They are sharing ratio in the 3:2. Just write the whatever terms are given. Capital work. Capital is X capital is 80,000 and Y's capital is 60,000. Correct. Then interest on capital. See, 5% per annum. So both has to be charged. So write down your interest on capital. So calculate 80,000 into 5%. It means 5 for 8 5s are 40. It means 4,000 will come. Same as 5 6 are 30. 3,000 will come. Try it. I am just directly doing it because I know how to multiply. Just do it. X allowed salary. Salary is getting by whom? X. How much? 6,000 per year. It is returned per year. So I haven't write 2 as a multiply with the 12. Okay. Which has not been withdrawn. Profit for the year ended before interest on capital, but charging X salary is 24,000. Okay, already salary is charged by the P&L. So and by after charging salary, profit is 2,000. Correct. The provision of 5% profit is to be made with the respect of commission to the manager. We have done in the final account, I think so, commission we have calculated. So we have to make the provision for 5% on profit for whom? Manager's commission. Now we have to make the appropriation. Just see the terms. First of all, this term is not part of the P&L appropriation. So we have to do again P&L account for the adjustment. Correct or not? We have to make the adjustment. See how I will make the adjustment. I am making P&L account. You have to make P&L appropriation account at home. Okay, just see. I am using another pen to understand. This is my given part. Now by this I can understand directly. Just see. First of all, P&L account I am making. This is my debit side. This is my credit side. As you know, this is my profit. Profit is how much? 24,000. Correct or not? Yes. So first of all, by adjusted profit. Why adjusted profit? Because in 24,000 already I have salary charged. So minus it. How much I am getting? 24,000 plus 6,000. Already minus, so add it. What I am getting? 30,000 is my profit. Now see, 5% on manager's commission. So first of all, 5% on manager commission, 5% of 30,000. Where I will write to manager's commission, write completely to understand manager's commission. 5% on whom? 30,000. So do it. 5 3s are 15. So 1,500 will come as my commission. Now find my exact profit because there is nothing to another adjustment. So find it. Here is 30,000. Here is 30,000. Minus it. What I am getting? 28500. So 2 net profit. Correct or not? Now this is the net profit I will use for the appropriation. P&L appropriation. Debit and credit. I am just giving you starting point. Now do yourself. By net profit how much? 28500. Remaining things you have to try at home. I want the solution from you. Okay. Thank you. I will give you the solution in next video, but try. Okay. Thank you.